This is number 5 to the exponential function problems I gave in graphing earlier. This is the function y equals 1/3 in parentheses to the x. And I did some algebra rewriting it as y equals 1/3 to the x. I did that by distributing the x on each exponent of the 1 and the 3, which is 1 also. So I have 1/3 to the x. This is the reciprocal of the original y equals 3 to the x that I graphed earlier. Well, y to the 3 of x, I know, rises more quickly than the 2 to the x function and sinks more quickly going to the left to the asymptote. Now I graphed the y equals 2 to the x and I graphed the y equals 3 to the x. Then I flipped it or rotated about the y-axis, so every point that's on the right of the y equals 3 to the x is equidistant on the other side of the y-axis. You could also graph this by plugging in points.